Alright guys, so videos have been pretty slow recently, and the reason for that is this machine. As you can see, it has pretty much nothing in here now, just the parts that I am not selling, such as the power supply, an old heatsink, and all of my drives. This thing, with a Ryzen 7 1700, GTX 1080 Founders Edition, and 16GB of RAM, has been an absolute pain in the butt, and that's why there haven't been videos as of recent, and actually over the weeks, I've had to actually not upload videos, because this thing takes 6+ hours to export a 5-minute video, at the right settings, and it blue screens all the time. What I've narrowed it down to is a compatibility issue. Windows 10 genuinely makes my life so much more difficult than it needs to be. I'm going to put this down, and this is my new system. But first, we've got a couple of accessories. So this inner tech should be a drive enclosure for my drives that were in the computer that I showed you just a moment ago. It doesn't allow internal storage upgrades apart from like one SSD. It's just an adapter that will, or rather an enclosure that should, I don't know if it just slides off, if there is some kind of, you just stick a 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch drive in there and it goes dandy. These two accessories are from Anker. If you guys don't know who Anker are, they make a bunch of like USB and charging accessories. We got some Velcro, which I really like. They include Velcro. I looked up a couple of reviews before buying this. So they include a Velcro pad and a nice weighted 4-port USB 3.0 dock kind of thing, or an extension, a hub, whatever you want to call it. And thirdly, we have something which is hyper important, and I bought this system, completely forgot that I needed one of these, and immediately got one on Amazon Prime because, you know, instant next day shipping, really cool. So which is just simply a USB 3.0 card reader. Okay, so yeah, I did go back to a Mac. I had a Mac Mini for a little while. I wanted one of these for a little while, but not really. I didn't really care because I had a system that worked. My Mac Mini, I love the workflow, but it just wasn't powerful enough. Then I had my Ryzen based system, which was super powerful. Like on paper, it's actually a decent amount more powerful than this thing, but it's still not like, it's just so unreliable. So hopefully this will be a good combination of reliability and good workflow. Let's not prolong this unboxing any further. There's just a simple piece of plastic on the top, and here is the Apple Mac Pro. This is a 6-core 16GB 256 and D500 model, so 16 gigs of RAM, D500 graphics cards, 6-core 3.5 GHz Intel Xeon, and 256 GB of flash storage, or SSD storage. We peel back that seal. I also got some Apple Care with this. That's one of the reasons I got it, because it's brand new with Apple Care. This is £1,000 off of the price on, I believe it's Apple website. It's like it's $29.99 or $3 on the Apple website. It's $2. I got it off eBay. That's pretty cool. So you get your documentation in there. I might have a little read depending on if it's got like my warranty stuff in there and stuff. But if we lift that off, I actually cannot believe I have one of these. It is a late 2013, so it's still a 5-year-old computer, late 2013 Mac Pro. So if I just, oh, it's quite weighty. I was expecting it to be weighty because it's a fully blown computer in there and stuff. We have the plug, which is like an Apple one, which I think they're quite cool. And this, we're gonna do, this is like the coolest thing. Oh God, the freaking seal came off. Okay, all right, you ready? Here it is. That's it. That's basically it. This is my new workstation. I'm going to be using this for editing, primarily video editing. And I don't know if I can actually do this, but I want to see if it works. That is my computer. So there's RAM. It's actually got 4 gig DIMMs, I think, which is a bit unfortunate because this actually accepts, if you buy OWC parts, like third party, this thing accepts like 128 gigs of RAM, which I'm very tempted to go for in the future, if I can afford it, that is, because I want to keep this for a little while. That's my new system. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this little different unboxing video. I'm going to try and keep everything all edited and well done. This is the reason why videos have been so stagnant, is just purely because this thing, well, my computer has just not been working. So now I've got an actual computer, I should actually be able to edit videos more. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, which hopefully will be to do with the Essential phone, which is very dusty and got a really horrible screen protector on, but I've got it right here. And yeah, I'm going to try and get some of that stuff done. So like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.